Editing your Jimdo website is simple with its user-friendly tools. Here's how you can make updates and customize your site. Log into Jimdo. Visit jimdo.com and log into your account. Select the website you want to edit from your dashboard. Open the website editor. Once inside your website, click Edit Site to open the editor. Edit text. Click on any text block to modify it directly. Simply type in your updates or use the formatting toolbar to adjust fonts, sizes, alignment, and colors. Change images. Hover over any image and click Edit or Replace to upload a new image or select one from Jimdo's image library. You can also adjust image size and alignment. Add or rearrange elements. Use the Add Element button to insert new features like buttons, videos, or forms. Drag and drop elements to rearrange them on the page. Edit pages and navigation. Use the Pages tab to add, delete, or rename pages. Rearrange the order of pages in your site navigation. Save and publish. Changes are saved automatically, but click Publish to make them live.